Money-making routine: how to gain financial freedom. Your daily money habits are key to improving your financial future. Not only does it help relieve financial stress in your life, it also plays an important role in achieving your long-term financial goals. So I'm talking about routines. But what kind of routines? In this video you will find 7 money habits that you can choose and practice daily in your life to achieve more with your finances. If you're ready to make your financial dreams come true, let's get started. Track your expenses with a budget. Above all, one of the most important daily money habits you must do if you want to improve your finances is to save your expenses in a well-prepared budget. After all, if you don't know what you're spending money on or how much you should be spending, you're shooting into the dark. To be a little more concrete, it would be useful to record your expenses on a zero-based budget every day. This budgeting method requires you to plan your same expenses down to the last penny. And while this may seem tedious at first, it is simple in practice. Start by determining your monthly income. If your income fluctuates from month to month, you don't have to worry. It would be more appropriate to determine the month with the lowest earnings in the last 6 months and make a budget based on this number. In this way, you will ensure that your budget is realistic and you will achieve the ideal amount in your monthly income. You have determined your total monthly income very well. Good. The next step is, how much do you want to spend, save or invest during the month? You have to determine this and create a definite plan. This is where the term zero-based or zero-based budget comes into play. Because with every penny of your income, you will have to plan until you have $0 left. And after each penny of your income is calculated and divided among your budget categories, you will only have one more step left: recording your spending every day and sticking to your zero-based budget. The maximum 5 minutes you will spend a day will help you understand how your cash flow is, and it will be easier for you to manage your budget in a disciplined way. It is useful to give a short summary for this part. Please give your attention here. The first thing you need to do is to determine your monthly income realistically. Then, if you can, including your savings, of course, it is necessary to determine how much all your expenses are, so the incoming and outgoing must be clear. Finally, planning to the last penny of your money according to some budget principle and recording your expenditures by sticking to this income-expense balance every day. It may be difficult for some of you at first, but at the end of the month, when you find that balance, you will see that it is worth it. Track your progress towards your financial goals. The best way to achieve your financial goals is to make them part of your daily routine. After all, it is difficult to keep a strong focus on something that is out of sight and therefore out of mind. And it is possible to take it one step further. Assuming that you record your expenses and track your daily budget with the method we mentioned in the first article, the best way to do this is to follow your financial goals, whether it's an Excel spreadsheet or a notebook. If you track your progress in your financial goals, it will be easier to make real-time adjustments to your daily financial habits that pave the way for your goal. Beyond that, controlling your financial progress will help you refocus on your goals and make them the #1 priority in your life. It's also a great way to stay motivated and make better spending decisions. Check your bank account. This may sound strange, but checking your bank account every day is the key to your long-term financial freedom. You always know where your finances are by checking your bank account. But beyond that, this daily money habit will also help you spot any suspicious financial activity, avoiding surprises with your money. Staying financially sound and checking your bank account daily is a great way to know where your money is going. Learn about personal finance. Which channels or accounts do you follow to deepen your understanding of personal finance? I think this is one of the most important items. Whoever you follow, your mentality and feelings will evolve towards it whether you want it or not. So be mindful of who you hang out with and whose ideas and actions you're exposed to, because what you think, you become over time. Simply put, if you see things that are extremely unnecessary and do not contribute anything to your social media accounts in your timeline, you are losing in the first place. Therefore, it will be useful to follow the accounts that will add value to you and take you one step higher. When you wake up in the morning and open your social media, do you want to see a notification that will increase your motivation, or the ones that will not contribute to you and are literally time traps? Of course, the choice is yours. Your choices make you, and your losses and gains determine your preferences. Information is everywhere, and here it is a matter of getting this financial or personal education in some way on a daily basis. In this sense, if your preference is to read, check out the bestsellers in personal finance And if you do not listen, you can choose audiobooks or podcasts from applications such as Sports. Another great option is to watch videos about personal finance. In order to be notified when a new video is shared, it will be useful to subscribe to your favorite financial channels and turn on notifications. Stick to the weekly meal plan. One of the most insidious places where money disappears is in your daily eating and drinking habits. As long as you budget for them and your budget is low, your coffee or eating out habits are fine, of course, but unplanned overdoing can unwittingly hurt your budget. Creating and sticking to a weekly meal plan is a crucial daily financial habit. So how many times during a month or week do you have the right to eat out? If yes, what is your budget and are you sticking to it? Whether you're planning your weekly meals or following a plan you've already created, sticking to a meal plan is one of the best ways to save extra money during the month. Credit cards. Credit card spending is one of the habits that should be considered the most. No matter how much you earn, credit card debt is bad. In an inflationary environment, a credit card may sound rational if you don't get involved in interest. However, the psychological effect it will create on your expenditures will be negative. Behaviorally, spending money without even entering a password will encourage you to spend more and more easily. Especially installments are the most dangerous and secret habit of this place to your financial situation. Banks are making plans and research on how to increase your spending on credit cards. It allocates huge budgets for this and has working units. However, if you don't take any precautions against this attack, like a castle with a door left open, so to speak, you can welcome the Trojan horse. Do not forget that those free points given, or if you shop this much for 3 times, this amount of points and gift campaigns are all aimed at increasing your consumption. If you use your credit card consciously, you do not come to such games, and if you have a high level of awareness, of course, there is no problem in using it. It may even be to your advantage in an inflationary environment. But if you are unable to pay the full balance every month, put that card aside immediately. Your first goal is to get rid of that card debt. Find ways to increase your income. One of the fastest ways to achieve financial freedom is to increase your income. Yes, this is the hardest part. You have to enter the idea ordeal. What you said is easy to say, but I'm saying it sincerely as if I hear the shouts that this is America. It is very easy to do and achieve if you believe. Yes, it's hard but easy. It may seem like a paradox, but what I mean is this: the human is not aware of his potential. When he realizes it, the impossible happens all of a sudden, so it's a matter of worry. While it's helpful to constantly look for ways to reduce your monthly expenses, nothing is better than increasing the size of your financial pie. Whether you're in sales, running your own side business, or working a part-time job, you should always work to improve your income. There are thousands of jobs to do on the internet. You can do many things, from opening a web page to freelance jobs where you can sell services according to your talent. Just don't underestimate it. Improve yourself on what you can do about it every day. Earning money from where you live has never been as easy as it is today. To sum it up, your financial life is a product of your daily money habits. So the better your habits, the better your financial future will be. The best part about this situation is that even a small daily change can have a huge impact on the course of your life. A 1% change in your daily habits will have a tremendous impact on your life outcome. Start doing at least one of them first if necessary. After doing this habit every day for a week, add other habits to it. Thus, you can increase your habit routines. These small changes you will make in your life over time will add a lot to your life in the long run.